Hello and welcome back everyone to my class. Today I am going to discuss some questions from the chapter Principles of Inheritance and Variation of Class 12 Biology. So today's first question is, what is genetics? Answer: the branch of biology that deals with the study of mechanism of transmission of characters or heredity and variation is referred to as genetics. This subject mainly deals with inheritance as well as variation. Inheritance is the process of transmission of characters from one generation to another. On the other hand, variation is the degree of differences in characteristics between parents and offspring and among the offspring. Question number 2. Who is the father of genetics? Answer: Gregor Johann Mendel. Question number 3. What are the Mendel's laws of inheritance? Answer: Mendel's laws of inheritance are: number 1, law of dominance; number 2, law of segregation or law of purity of gametes; and number 3, law of independent assortment. Question number 4. Why Mendel selected garden pea as experimental plant for the breeding experiment? Answer: Mendel selected garden pea Pisum sativum as experimental plant for the breeding experiment because it had the following advantages. Number 1. Normally the pea plants were self-fertilizing and therefore use of Mendel's main techniques, selfing, presented no difficulties. For cross-fertilization between two pea plants, Mendel had merely to remove the stamens from one plant and transfer them to another plant without stamens. Number 2. Because of the quality of self-fertilization, plants are homozygous. It is therefore easy to get pure lines for several generations. Number 3. Pea plant was an annual plant. Its short life cycle made it possible to study several generations within a short period. Number 4. The pea plants had many sharply defined inherited characters. Thus, they possess many describable features. Number 5. The pea plants were easy to cultivate in laboratory conditions and from one generation to the next took a single growing season only. Number 6. The pea plants were easy to cross because the pollen grains from one plant can be introduced to the stigma of another plant by removing anthers. Question number 5. Write the main points of law of dominance. Answer: the three main points of law of dominance are: number 1. Characters are controlled by discrete unit called factors. Number 2. Factors occur in pairs. And number 3, in a dissimilar pair of factors, one member of the pair dominates the other. Question number 6. What is mutation? Discuss different types of mutation. Answer. Mutation is a phenomenon that results in sudden change in phenotype and genotype of organisms due to alteration of nucleotide sequence, that is, base sequence of DNA. Types of mutation. Mutation are of the following types. Number 1. Gene mutation. Gene mutations occurs due to alteration in the sequences of bases of DNA or a change in the bases that brings about change in the genotype and phenotype of an organism. There are two types of gene mutation. A. Point mutation. A mutation that involves a single base change is called point mutation. An example of point mutation is sickle cell anemia. Number B. Frame shift mutation. Deletion or insertion or duplication or addition of one or two bases in the DNA results in a change in the reading frame, thereby resulting in the sequence of amino acids in the polypeptide chain is called frame shift mutation. Number 2. Chromosomal mutation. In chromosomal mutation, structural alterations of the chromosomes take place. Structural alterations of the chromosomes result due to addition or deletion of large segment of DNA as DNA or genes. Chromosomal mutations are of two types. Number 1. Structural variations or aberrations, and number 2. Numerical variations or aberrations. Numerical variation or aberrations are of two types. Number 1. Aneuploidy. For example, trisomy twice n plus 1, monosomy twice n minus 1, tetrasomy twice n plus 2, and nullisomy twice n minus 2. And number 2, polyploidy, 3n, 4n, and so on. Here I include a chart showing different types of mutation. Question number 7. Name the amino acid which is failed to convert to tyrosine in phenylketonuria. Answer: phenylalanine. Question number 8. Write the genotype of blood group AB. Answer: IA, IB. Question number 9. Write the genotype of Turner syndrome. Answer: 44A plus X0. Question number 10. Write the chromosomal theory of inheritance. Answer. Sutton and Boveri gave the chromosomal theory of inheritance in 1902. According to this theory, the behavior of chromosomes and behavior of Mendelian factors, that is genes, were parallel and used the chromosome movement to explain Mendel's laws.
Question number 11. What are the 4 features of genetic materials? Answer. The 4 features of genetic materials are: number 1, it must be stable. Number 2, it must be capable of being expressed when needed. Number 3, it must be capable of accurate replication. And number 4, it must be transmitted from parent to progeny without change. Question number 12. Write the genotype of Klinefelter syndrome. Answer. 44A plus XXY. Question number 13. Write about the genetics of Down syndrome. Answer. It is also known as Mongolism or trisomy 21. The children with Down syndrome suffer from mental retardations. They have short and broad neck, short and stubby hands and feet, and a wide gap between first and second fingers in the feet, flattened nasal bridge and protruding tongue. This disorder was first described by Langdon Down in 1866. The genetical cause of this disease is due to non-disjunction of 21st pair of homologous chromosome in females. In middle-aged women, the 21st pair of homologous chromosome fails to separate during oogenesis. It results in the production of abnormal gametes, one type containing one autosome more and the other type containing one autosome less than the normal gamete. If the egg containing 24 chromosomes is fertilized by a normal gamete with 23 chromosomes, it gives rise to a zygote with 47 chromosomes instead of normal number 46.
Question number 14. What is pedigree analysis? Explain with example how such analysis can be useful. Answer. The analysis of inheritable traits for several generations in a family is called pedigree analysis. The pedigree analysis can be useful in many ways. Number 1. Genetic counselors use pedigree analysis to advise intending couples about the probability of having genetic defects in their children. Number 2. It is one of the views of genetic study and provides a strong tool utilized to trace the inheritance of specific traits or diseases. Number 3. It reveals whether the DNA is transmitted from one generation to the other without alteration. Number 4. It also provides indications that the Mendelian principles are applicable to human genetics with some modifications. Number 5. It also helps in finding the presence or absence of a trait in the heterozygous or homozygous state. Number 6. It can also help in predicting the characteristics of the future generation of a particular species. Question number 15. Fill in the blanks. Total number of chromosomes in a human cell is dash. The answer is 46 or 23 pairs.
Question number 16. Write briefly on hemophilia. Answer. Hemophilia or royal disease or bleeder's disease is a sex-linked disease characterized by the fact that the blood coagulation time is greatly prolonged, causing excessive bleeding even from the small injury. Thus, bleeding once started does not stop in the natural way and can lead to the death of the person. This disease was first reported by John Cotto. It is very common in the royal families of Russia and England. For example, Queen Victoria and her further generations were having the hemophilia disease. The gene for hemophilia is found to be associated with X chromosome and is recessive in nature. Thus, a single recessive gene produces the disease in male, while two recessive genes are required to produce the disease in female. If the recessive gene causing hemophilia is assumed as small h, then its dominant allele capital H will be normal gene. The probable genotype for this pair of allele in male and female human individual will be male genotype X capital HY phenotypes normal, male X small hy phenotype hemophilic, female genotype X capital H phenotype normal, female genotype X capital H X small h phenotype normal but carrier, female genotype X small h phenotype hemophilic. That's all for today's video. Thank you.